Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record with a microphone in CapCut. Well, as you can see, here is this window called VOICEOVER. This is the window that allows us to record using our microphone. This little window has three interesting things. The first I'm going to show you. This is the one that says echo reduction, which is a filter that CapCut offers us to reduce any echo we might have in our recording. The second thing that's really good is this one called mute protect. This one I'm activating right now. This option allows you to mute the video while recording your voice, to not distract them with the sound or the noise of the video. And the third and last is this little button that allows us to record our voice like that. Here, when we activate it, a countdown will appear. And when it reaches 0, we can start recording. As you can see, it's recording the track. In my case, I wanted to make a somewhat controversial video about the Minecraft trailer. To simply click here and it will stop recording. I'm going to close this for a moment, and if we hit play here, it will play back what we recorded. We can start recording. As you can see, it's recording the track. In my case, I wanted to... Okay, now as we can see, the audio we were recording has already been saved. And the million-dollar question is, how do we activate this? Well, we come here to the right side of CapCut, and there will be an icon shaped like a microphone. It's as simple as clicking it, and a window will pop up. And that's everything for now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.